magpaganda dahil pupunta tayo ng simbahan at sa tabing dagat ng Emu Park. Hey guys! Welcome to my beauty vlog! So in today's video, I will show you guys how to cover up our eye bags. So before we proceed, you make sure you hydrate or moisturize your face first and then get the concealer. But before that, to cover up our eye bags, you need to color correct using color corrector. So here I use like close to my skin tone, or you can use an orangey shade. Then now grab a concealer too lighter shade than your skin tone and then place it on the center of your face, under eyes, eyelids, center of the nose and the chin, and then blend it with the brush. Make sure your brush is moisturized or spray it with setting spray or mists. Then just blend it well. And then now grab your foundation. Here I just use a mousse foundation from Essence in Priceline, and then just spread it evenly onto your face using a brush, or you can use a sponge, but as I'm in a rush, I just use a brush like so and just blend it. And then now grab another concealer, just place it under eyes area to cover that bulgy eye bag like that. So do not put too much concealer or else it will crease. So then now you need to set the base of your face. Easy! The next clip is my Asuka makeup trend, no budget. Aling Koncheng! Aling Koncheng! Mamacita! Na 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 na. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on my next beauty video. Bye!